What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will begin learning about Trello. Trello is a very powerful project management and organizational tool, productive for all team sizes, handles any size task, and collaborates seamlessly with its desktop and mobile apps. Today we'll be going over the absolute basics. This will include things like getting your account created, getting familiar with the layout, and going through some of the buttons and tabs Trello has. Let's get started. Firstly, open up the browser of your choice. I prefer Chrome. Search for Trello via Google or by typing in Trello.com. Once you get to their website, there will be a couple different options. You can enter your email, where it says sign up, it's free. There is a button in the top right corner of the screen. Yours will say login or sign up. Click the middle button on the screen to sign up or enter your email. Here you can sign up with your email or continue with Google or Microsoft shown here. My choice is Google. Once you have signed up and logged in, you will be taken to the Trello homepage as shown here. Let's quickly skim through some of these buttons. Top left menu will show more products they have to offer. Pressing the button that looks like a small house will reload the homepage. The button boards can be pressed and it shows a list of boards that you have created. Jump to is a handy feature which you can search a large collection of boards for a very specific item you are searching for. This will be very useful later on. First button on the far right, which is indicated with a plus symbol. Here you can create a new board. Start with a pre-existing template from Trello, create a team, and create a business team. Next is the information button for guides, pricing, blog, and more. The bell icon is for notifications. We will go over this more in depth later on. Next will be your profile logo. Here you can add another account, profile and visibility, board activity, cards, settings, help, and shortcuts. It's a bit to take in at the beginning, but through these videos we will be going through everything in depth so you can learn and become more advanced with Trello. In the next video, we will go through creating your very first board, exploring more of the homepage, adding lists, and creating cards. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.